Hello everyone, this is Chen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce a new topic, web application penetration testing. The web applications are very alluring to businesses since they provide user-friendly interfaces, quick access to business resources, and seamless deployment to remote users. For the same reason, the web applications can be a major security threat to businesses. No one on the web is immune from security risks. Thus, highest standard of security deployment should be the key highlight of the web applications. In this topic, I'm going to first talk about the web application critical risks, OWASP top 10, and few real-world penetration testing samples, like SQL injection, cross-site scripting to steal the cookies. If you're interested, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's get it started. Before we get into today's topic about web application penetration testing, I would like to do a brief introduction to penetration testing. A penetration test, also known as a pen test, is a simulated cyber attack against your computer system to check for exploitable vulnerabilities. So penetration testing, also called pen testing or ethical hacking, is the practice of testing a computer system, network, or web application to find security vulnerabilities that an attacker could exploit. This could be done with automatic process like software applications or performed manually. The main objective of penetration testing is to identify security weaknesses, and also it could be used to test an organization's security policy as the compliance requirements, employees' security awareness, and the organization's ability to identify and respond to security incidents. OWASP stands for the Open Web Application Security Project that produces articles, methodologies, documentation tools, and technologies in the field of web application security. The OWASP Top 10 is a regularly updated report outlining security concerns for web application security, focusing on the 10 most critical risks. The report is put together by a team of experts from all over the world. Companies should adopt this document and start the process of ensuring that their web application minimizes risks. By using the OWASP Top 10 is perhaps the most effective way to change the software development culture within the organization and produce more secure code. In today's video, I would like to talk about the security risks reported in the OWASP Top 10 2019 report. The first critical risk is injection. An injection of code happens when an attacker sends invalid data to the web application with the intention to make it do something different from what the application was designed to do. Injection attacks happen when untrusted data is sent to a code interpreter through a form input or some other data submission to a web application. And perhaps the most common example around the security vulnerability is the SQL query consuming untrusted data. I put an example in here. These input fields are vulnerable to SQL injection. An attacker could use the SQL commands in the input in a way that would alter the SQL statement executed by the database server. We could see this application doesn't implement any defenses against the SQL injection attacks. In this case, we could use a single quote and set the password file to password apostrophe or 1 equals 1. As a result, the database will return a following query. Select ID from users where username equals username and password equals password, or 1 equals 1. Since 1 equals 1 is always true, this query will return all items. This vulnerability is because of the lack of validation and the sanitization of the data consumed by the web application. Be careful. Anything that accepts parameters as input can potentially be vulnerable to a code injection attack. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys some real-world web applications demo. This Joomla component field is known to be vulnerable to an SQL injection attack. And as an attacker, we're unauthenticated to the web application. which means we don't have the credentials to log in. In my next video, I'm going to demonstrate a few methodology about how to find, identify a SQL injection, and using SQL map to exploit it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.